Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Jen Yerba and Uni Batista of the Cherry Tigo EV Crossovers who won in 5 sets against the Capital One Solar Spiders. Uni, congrats on this win. In the 5th set, it was really a lot coming from you. I guess what was your mindset in that 5th set that really led to you being a non-stop scoring machine in that set?
Well, for me, I just go point by point, slowly, with patience, step by step. And this is what the result. I'm so happy for that.
Thank you. And Jen, ito nga 5-set win and a crucial win din for you guys. I guess, how proud are you of how the team really played against Capital One, knowing na malalakas din yung Spiders on the other side?
You know, this win, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. Kasi you can see naman the effort of everyone. From the coaching staff to the players, like everyone really contributed to this win. And the difference in today's game, you can see in everyone's eyes that we really want to win. So we're grateful that we were able to get the result that we wanted. And kasi kaka-start na ng second round. And it's just a good start for us. And hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Uni, prior to tonight, you've only won once so far, and Cherry Tigo's at the bottom of the standing. So, how much more motivation, I guess, was that to really give it all tonight and give a conference high 41 points?
Me as professional player and all the team, every game we go to win every game. Sometimes it's going well, sometimes it isn't going. So I think we don't need the motivation. I think when you are professional, you always have the motivation. You always have to discipline to try your best every time. This is what we do. Working hard every day, every practice, going slowly, and trust the process, trust the coaches, trust the player. So this is what we do.
And just take us through that 5th set. You scored almost every point there in that 5th set. So there was fatigue, of course, in the 5-set game, but I guess how did you keep steady, keep calm to get this win eventually?
I think in the 5-set, I have a lot of support from the team. I have a lot of support from the libero that you can go out. I will come and catch the ball. I have support from the setter that even I show a lot. So she's still calming. So this is the team victory. Team victory.
And Jen, so far, medyo difficult in the game conference so far, but a win like this, a turnaround like this, how big is it for you personally then to keep this playoff push alive?
Yeah, again, yun nga, maganda yung start ng second round for us. And I think today's game was an eye-opener for everyone, especially in our team na we really can do it. As long as, alam mo yun, yung mindset namin, we just set our mindset and yung winning attitude in every point. And we're very grateful for Uni because there are times na we struggle, especially if she's not in front of the attack line. So, kahit anong set ibigay namin sa kanya, she's just going for it. Like, every set na bibigay namin, binibigay niya yung best niya for the team. So, yeah, sobrang laking bagay na we have Uni in our team.
Jenny niya, 1-4 start for Cherry Tigo after the first round. Nagkaroon kayo ng short break siguro before this.
Yeah.
Gano'n kalaking bagay lang din ba yung reset kayo and recover?
Ayun, we felt na medyo pagod na nga kami because si Coach Norman, ano talaga siya, more on repetitive talaga, repetition, and hindi siya tumitigil kasi nakikita niya yung potential talaga ng team. Nakita niya yung potential ng team. We were able to make it nga last conference sa championship. So, nakita niya yung standard ng team. And nung nakapagpahinga kami, malaking bagay na nakapag-recover yung katawan kasi at the end of the day, hindi kami makakabigay ng 100% if we're all tired. So, I think the timing lang. Hindi niyo po alam, we didn't practice yesterday due to the weather. So we're all like, like, kumakapa kami, how are we going to start the game because we didn't practice yesterday. But again, sabi ko nga, we've been playing for 10 more years. Yeah, right? Like, more than 10 years. So, iba talaga kapag yung mindset nandun. So, I'm just glad that we were on the same page today and hindi namin pinansin yung hindi kami nag-practice yesterday. Like, we all came here prepared.
And then for Uni 41 points and a win, more importantly. I guess with 2 more games left in Cherry Tigo's schedule, just how motivated are you after this performance?
I always want to win. I say that every time. So we go step by step. We go slowly now. We go home. We rest. We have the coaches. We have the statistic men. We have good preparing. So we do what they say to us. It's simple. We make our job and they make their job. So I trust the coaches. I trust them, everyone. So this is what we do, step by step, and focus now in the rest, and then in the next game.
Jen, dito sa game na to, nakatapat mo rin si Bella, former teammate. I guess, how was that lang then for you? How was the experience?
I want to commend her. She's one of the best spikers out there, especially here in our country. And as you guys can see, I had a hard time. But again, it's a team sport. And I heard one of my coaches say na, Jen, kailangan ka namin. So, that parang ang laking bagay niya for me na hindi ako pwedeng mawala sa game. Like, even if napapaluan ako, nakasascorean ako, at the end of the day, importante yung kung paano yung team maglalaro. Diba? It's just 1 point. So, I was happy kasi it's my first game playing against Bella, and it's just a different angle to see na, alam mo yun, nasa kabilang court siya kasi we're both used to playing with one another, helping each other. So, nakita ko din kung paano siya mag-lead sa kabila. So, nakakatuwa.
Thank you, Jen. Thank you. Congrats on the win.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys!
Thank you.